back to my channel. Long time no see. I needed to take a little break from YouTube. I wasn't planning on taking as long of a break as I did, but it happened and here I am. I'm back. I really don't have like some big sort of dramatic thing as to why I left YouTube. I just needed a mental break and I'm back and I feel very refreshed and ready to film videos again. I missed you guys so much. If you guys stayed through my hiatus, thank you so much. I missed you guys. If you guys joined my channel while I was on my break, hi, I'm Ashley. This is my channel. It's a beauty channel focused on anything beauty related. Hair, makeup, skincare, self-love, anything like that. I also have a vlog channel that I recently started that I haven't uploaded anything on there yet, but I love watching vlogs and I love vlogging, so I really want to start uploading more over there. So that will be linked down below if you guys are interested in vlogs and interested in my life. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday summer makeup. This is a very quick, simple routine that I can do in less than 30 minutes, be out the door, and my face is full coverage, protected from the sun, lasts all day, and I get so many compliments on my skin when I do this routine. Like, so many people have been commenting on my skin saying that it looks amazing. As you can see, my skin is not amazing, so this foundation really works. So I started off by prepping my skin. I used apple cider vinegar on my skin, and then I used my Mario Badescu rose water. I've been obsessed with this. I had a small bottle, and this I just picked up. It's a bigger bottle. I ran out of the smaller bottle, and I had to like literally run to the store before I even ran out because I love that stuff so much. It's just so refreshing on my skin, and I really enjoy spraying it. I don't know. I spray it all throughout the day. Woo! Don't spray it with your mouth open. So what I've been using for foundation is the Bye Bye foundation. This has an SPF 50, and it's clinically tested, hydrating, and anti-aging, and they use 3D Skin Flex. So this is a full coverage moisturizer foundation. And I've been hearing a lot of really good things about this, so I figured I would pick it up and give it a try. But I have been obsessed. I've been using this every single day this week. I picked it up, I think, on Monday or something. I posted it on my IG stories, which if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you are, because I love interacting with you guys on there. I mix this with my tried and true, my Estee Lauder Double Wear. So this is very bronzy. I picked up this shade because I'm going to get tanner as the summer goes on, and this will be my perfect shade when I get a little more bronzy. But for the moment, I've just been mixing in a drop of the 4W1 Estee Lauder Double Wear, and it's perfect. So I don't even moisturize my skin. I literally just prep it with the rose water and the apple cider vinegar. I take 2 pumps of the Bye Bye foundation and then 1 pump of the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and then I take it on my really janky looking BH Cosmetics number 3 brush. I don't know if this comes in a set. I'll try to find it and link it down below for you guys, but I love the IT Cosmetic brushes. Like, they're all I use lately. And then I just mix it together and I apply it to my skin. And then I just kind of stipple it all over my face. And lately, as you can see, I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation and I have a few breakouts. My breakouts haven't been as bad. I found out that my skin was breaking out because I was taking a specific vitamin. So I stopped taking it and my acne calmed down. So I still have a few pimples here and there, but it's not nearly as bad as it was. And this is also perfect for work because it's just super quick and simple, and you can literally run out the door. You look flawless, and this lasts on your face all day. And there we are. As you can see, great coverage. My skin looks dewy, hydrated, and fresh, which is exactly what I want. Now for concealer, I've been obsessed with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Tan. This concealer is a little too natural for me, like it matches my skin tone a little too well. So I like to go in with just a dab of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I just like to plop it here, plop it there, just for a little bit more coverage and to lighten it up. And then I go in, this is super dirty, do not judge me, but I just use this. But this is the Morphe blender sponge, which I'm obsessed with. And then I just blend it all in. And as you guys know, I like to use my beauty blenders dry. I like full coverage under eyes, so using my beauty blender damp is just not for me. I know a lot of people are like, you need to use your beauty blender damp, but it just, if you want a fuller coverage, use it dry. If you want a lighter coverage, use it wet. That's what I've always lived by. I swear by that, and it's always worked for me. I also apply it to my lid space. Okay, so that is the foundation and concealer done. And once I am done, I go in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I just take the same beauty sponge and just dip it in there, and then I just set underneath my eyes. But you need to make sure that your foundation has not creased under there when you set it. Now, especially in the summertime, I really get oily in my T-zone, so I really make sure to set around my nose where I get the oiliest. So now my under eyes are concealed and set, and for the rest of my face, I go in and I use this Hourglass. This is the Veil Translucent Setting Powder, which I have been obsessed with. Obsessed with. This powder is so finely milled and looks amazing on the skin. The only thing is that it's, the container it's in is kind of like, not, like this is the top, and I usually like to tap my powder into the top and then set it, but it's just kind of awkward. But that's the only thing that the only negative that I have to say about this, but it's amazing. Makes your skin look flawless, sets everything in place, and yeah, I have nothing but good things to say about it. Now, I did my brows. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and Ebony. Mine is, I don't know what happened to it. It broke, but we're just going to move on. And I also set my lid using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder because I forgot to do that. Now I am going to be bronzing. I am going to be using the Too Faced, this is the new packaging, the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Like always, this is my favorite bronzer. If you guys know of any good bronzers that I should try, let me know down in the comments because I'm always looking to try a new bronzer so that I can stop using the same one over and over again. So I just lightly bronze my face, nothing crazy. I'm not looking for like a sculpted look for every day. I just pretty much want to bronze my face, add some color back and dimension. I'm not looking for like a chiseled full coverage beat to the gods look. To simplify my life, I just use bronzer as my eyeshadow to give my eyes a little more dimension. I just kind of throw it all over there. Nothing crazy. You guys have seen this in my last everyday makeup look. If you guys want to watch that, I will link it up above for you guys, so you guys should definitely check that out. You guys loved that video. Usually I will just do mascara, but lately I've been using the Collab. This is just a brown eyeliner kohl. It works really well. I just place this all over my lid. It doesn't have to be neat or anything because I'm just going to buff it out. It just defines my eyes a little more, and then I literally just take my finger and I just buff it out. I'm sure some of you guys are cringing, but I am a real girl who works a regular 9-to-5 job. So I don't have time to do a full glam in the morning. I'm not a morning person. Then I go in with this is the Benefit BADGAL Bang Mascara. Now I have the BADGAL full size and the BADGAL trial size. If you are thinking about buying this mascara, just splurge and buy the large size because the small size will turn you off from the mascara completely. The wand is just, it just does not work. It gets all over your eyes. This is a no. But this is a yes. This works so well. It coats all of my eyelashes, makes me look like a completely different person. I love this mascara. It worked so well, but I absolutely hated the trial size. And as you can see the difference between one eye and the other. This mascara is like, I love it. Now that my makeup is done, I just set everything in place with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And here is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And subscribe and hit the bell button so you never miss a new upload. I will be uploading new videos every single week for you guys, so look out for that and leave me a comment. I love interacting with you guys. And if you really want to stalk me, check out my social media links. They will all be listed down in the description box for you guys. Again, I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.